A massive blizzard is raging outside. This woman hears a loud thud against her door, then frantic scratching. She opens it to find a massive timber wolf collapsing onto her rug, covered in ice, barely breathing. The woman drags the 100-pound predator near the fireplace. She uses a hairdryer to melt the ice off the wolf's fur. The wolf wakes up, growls, but sees the fire and realizes the woman is helping. It rests its head on her lap, surrendering completely. The next morning, the storm breaks. The wolf looks at her one last time and runs off. 6 months later, the woman wakes up to howling. The wolf is back, but she brought 4 pups and placed them exactly on the rug where she was saved.